Hey there, I'm Derek with SureCall. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Flare cell phone signal booster. The Flare will keep you connected in a small home or office by increasing your data speeds and giving you a more reliable cellular signal for talk and text on any North American carrier. Correctly installing the booster kit is important to get the most out of your booster, so let's get started. Included in your kit is the Flare signal booster, a 50-foot length of RG6 cable, a power supply, drywall anchors, some cable clips, and the outside antenna, which includes its mounting hardware and an L bracket. To begin, find the location outside of your home with the strongest signal. Put your phone into test mode and walk around the outside of your home, noting the signal level at each location. If possible, we highly recommend doing this on the roof of your home or building. The higher you get, the stronger the signal you'll receive. Once you've found the location with the best signal, you'll mount the outside antenna here. Again, mount the outside antenna as high as possible. Installing the antenna high on the roof allows you to clear trees, buildings, and other obstacles, allowing you to get stronger signal to the signal booster. To mount the outside antenna, use the included L bracket. You can mount the bracket directly to a wall or onto a pole or vent pipe on the roof. To mount the antenna on a wall, place the L bracket in the install location and mark the holes. Drill the holes and insert the wall anchors. Replace the L bracket and secure it to the wall with the washers and nuts. To mount the antenna on a pole or vent pipe, place the U-bolt around the pole. Slide the bracket over the U-bolt, followed by the L bracket. Secure the L bracket in place with the washers and nuts. Remove the nuts and washers from the bottom of the antenna. Place the antenna on top of the L bracket, making sure the bolts fit through the holes on the top of the bracket. Secure the antenna in place by replacing the washers and nuts and tightening them down. The outside antenna that comes with your Flare is an omnidirectional antenna, which gathers signal from all directions around it, so there's no need to aim the antenna. In weak signal areas, you can install the optional Yagi directional antenna and aim it at the cell tower for a stronger incoming signal. Next, connect the RG6 cable to your outside antenna and run it to where you'll be placing your booster. Use the cable clips to secure the cable in place and keep it neat and tidy. Now choose a location for the booster. Make sure that the booster is at least 25 feet away from the outside antenna and within reach of an electrical outlet. Installing the booster closer than 25 feet to the outside antenna will negatively affect the performance of your booster, giving you a smaller coverage area inside. The more separation you can create between the booster and the outside antenna, the better performance you'll receive from your booster. Place the booster in a central location where you need boosted signal. Connect the booster to the RG6 cable previously run from the outside antenna. Then connect the power supply and plug it in. That's all there is to it. Now you're getting stronger signal in your home or office. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every week. If you've got any questions about your install, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.